When it comes to kitchen appliances, versatility and power are two qualities that every home cook desires. This Koios 5-in-1 Immersion Blender delivers on both fronts, offering a multifunctional design that caters to a wide range of culinary tasks. With a powerful 1000 watts full copper motor, 12 adjustable speeds, and an array of attachments, this immersion blender promises to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. In this in-depth review, we'll explore everything that makes the Koios Immersion Blender a must-have for your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Koios Immersion Blender is its robust 1000 watts full copper motor. This motor is not only powerful, but also designed for durability, ensuring that the blender can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending thick soups, making smooth baby food, or whipping up a fresh batch of salsa, the Koios Blender's motor delivers consistent, high-performance results. The full copper construction of the motor is particularly noteworthy because it offers better heat dissipation and longer-lasting performance compared to standard motors. This means that even with frequent use, the Koios Blender is built to last, providing you with reliable power for years to come. What sets the Koios Immersion Blender apart from its competitors is its 5-in-1 functionality. This blender is not just a simple blending tool, it's a complete kitchen assistant. The package includes several attachments that transform the blender into a versatile appliance capable of tackling a variety of tasks. 1. Stick blender shaft. The main attachment, perfect for blending soups, smoothies, and sauces directly in the pot or beaker. 2. Stainless steel egg whisk, ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, and making meringues with ease. 3. Milk frother. Create creamy froth for your cappuccinos, lattes, or even hot chocolate in seconds. 4. 500 milliliter chopper bowl. This mini food processor attachment is perfect for chopping vegetables, nuts, and herbs, making meal prep faster and more efficient. 5. 600 milliliters mixing beaker. A convenient container for blending and mixing ingredients without the need for additional bowls or cups. With these attachments, the Koios Blender allows you to perform multiple kitchen tasks without cluttering your countertop with various appliances. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie, preparing dinner, or baking desserts, this blender has you covered. Every recipe requires a different level of blending, and the Koios Immersion Blender provides the control you need with its 12 adjustable speeds and turbo mode. The adjustable speeds allow you to start slow and gradually increase the power, ensuring that you achieve the perfect texture for your dishes. The turbo mode is particularly useful for when you need an extra burst of power, such as when blending tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or ice. This feature ensures that you can handle a wide range of blending tasks with precision, making it easier to create everything from silky smooth soups to chunky salsa. The Koios Blender is equipped with a 4-leaf stainless steel blade, designed to provide superior blending performance. The 304 stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, while the 4-leaf design maximizes blending efficiency. This blade design allows the blender to quickly and evenly blend ingredients, resulting in smoother textures and more consistent results. Whether you're pureeing vegetables, mixing batters, or making a smoothie, the Koios Blender's blade ensures that your ingredients are perfectly blended every time. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and the Koios Immersion Blender excels in this area with its one-click installation system. The snap-on-off design allows you to easily attach or detach the various accessories with a simple click, making it effortless to switch between tasks. Cleaning up after cooking is also a breeze with this blender. All the detachable parts are dishwasher safe, so you can simply toss them in the dishwasher after use, saving you time and effort. The compact design of the blender and its attachments also means that they can be easily stored in a drawer or cabinet, helping you maintain a clutter-free kitchen. Koios stands by the quality of their products, offering lifetime service and customer support with the purchase of their immersion blender. This commitment to customer satisfaction ensures that any issues or questions you may have will be promptly addressed by their support team. The blender itself is built to withstand regular use, with high-quality materials like the full copper motor and stainless steel blades contributing to its longevity. This makes the Koios Immersion Blender a smart investment for any home chef looking for a reliable and durable kitchen tool. The Koios Immersion Blender has garnered positive reviews from users who appreciate its power, versatility, and ease of use. Many customers have praised the blender for its ability to handle a wide range of tasks, from blending smoothies to chopping vegetables, without the need for multiple appliances. Users also love the adjustable speed settings, which allow them to customize the blending process to suit their needs. The turbo mode is a particular favorite as it provides the extra power needed for tougher tasks like blending frozen ingredients or chopping nuts. The easy-to-clean design and one-click installation system have also been highlighted as key benefits, making the Koios blender a convenient and user-friendly addition to any kitchen. In conclusion, the Koios 5-in-1 Immersion Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool that offers exceptional value for money. Its 1,000 watts full copper motor, combined with the 12 adjustable speeds in turbo mode, ensures that you can tackle a wide range of blending tasks with ease and precision. The 5-in-1 functionality, including the stick blender shaft, whisk, milk frother, chopper bowl, and mixing beaker, makes this blender a true multitasker in the kitchen. Whether you're blending, chopping, whisking, or frothing, the Koios Immersion Blender provides the performance and convenience you need to create delicious meals and drinks at home. With its durable construction, easy-to-clean design, and lifetime service, the Koios Blender is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal. So, if you're in the market for a new immersion blender that offers both power and versatility, the Koios 5-in-1 Immersion Blender is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.